Look out. Hey, look out, y'all. They in the building. Them my people, man. Hey. Hey, work. Get it. Work. Get it. Yeah, go on, put your shout out in one time.
I don't know what it is.
She finna get her Instagram. She finna get her
Instagram? What about my TikTok?
TikTok too. I'm on TikTok, so they want to see. Oh man, who was that trying to add me? I should have added them. Okay, we got TikTok right here. Bam, Maya Smith. Let me show them on this side. We got Maya. Oh snap. Let me zoom in, get my zoom on. Come on, baby, this zoom ain't working. I'ma tell her Maya Smith 7551. That's it, y'all. Maya Smith 7551. Y'all get over there. She waiting on you. Shout out to my boy Mac Daddy Proline Hand Cleaner. That's right. Mac Daddy Proline Hand Cleaner. Petroleum free. Look out, look out. Oh, Lane. We got Lane in the building, y'all. Boy, he got that thing. Oh, yeah. That was it, y'all. Dile tu tío. Dile tu tío. I done told him one time already. For my people that's watching on TikTok, Alberto 6.2. Alberto 6.2 said he want to see some racing. Head over to my YouTube channel.
A few big blocks and small blocks. You ain't said shit about that.
Where they at?
Behind.
Oh, I seen some. Hey! Let me see if they subscribe. They subscribe. Oh, I seen it. Big block. Hey, you on here? Mira. Hey, check out this here. Okay, dile tu tío. Make sure y'all suscríbete a mi canal. Yeah, and dale me gusta. For all my people watching on TikTok, if y'all want to see it in HD, widescreen, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We on here right now. Okay. AMG in the left lane. Yo, it's on me in a Hellcat. Where he at? Let me see something. Car Show Kilo. Check out my YouTube channel, man. Yeah, my YouTube channel in HD. Oh, here come one of them TRX trucks with the supercharger, y'all. Y'all seen one of them run yet? I know everybody ain't seen one. Okay. Look, ooh, he finna race one of these trucks that ain't got no grill with a cam in it, LS motor. Yeah, this thing pretty big, y'all. Yeah, I wonder if I could beat him, y'all. Damn, look how big that bitch is. Okay, where y'all going? This ought to be a good race. They been with the left lane. Is Murder at the Hood track? No. Who is this? Zomer Bloom? Where's she from? Oh, right lane for the win. That was a good race, y'all. Yeah, I got the Caprice here tonight. Caprice is here tonight. $100,000 trucks.
Podcast, clips, all that shit.
All my people, Joshua Mathesian. Who you want me to race? Look out, we got Izzy in the building, y'all. Jace the 420 Vibes. You on my YouTube channel? That's it, y'all. And to turn the lights off. Hey, look out. All the people that's watching on YouTube, I mean TikTok. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. Just had a grudge race yesterday. We got some fights and stuff all on my YouTube channel. Controversy, y'all come checking me out, man. Look out. Got all these people up.
Out here like that, man.
Yeah, you ain't seen them like that?
I ain't seen that out here.
Yeah,
man.
you got a little interested now?
Yeah.
You gonna come back next week now, huh?
Nah, you know I'm gonna be here.
Gonna be here next week, y'all. He trying to see them small blocks with them cams in it. He love them cams, y'all.
That uterus done.
Yeah. He love them cams. He love him a good cam swap, y'all. Woo! He love to see that cam just cackling as it goes. Just.
What's up, channel?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all make sure y'all.
We need more Latinas down here next week.
Yeah.
More Latinas next week.
Yeah, they said bring the Latinas.
More booty clapping.
Yeah. They said that booty clap, that's the cam. The more it clap, that's the cackle on the cam. He got the LSA lobe separation. Yeah, he like them 109 lobe separation, straight motor cams, y'all. Yeah, he want a straight motor cam and put nitrous on it anyway. Look at him, he's so, ooh, y'all. He want a straight motor cam and still put nitrous on it, y'all. God damn. Damn, y'all better watch him. He gonna spray you anyway. He gonna spray you. Let me see. TikTokers, man. I show it's 2,000 TikTokers on here right now. Hey, TikTokers. Do y'all be, I be on my YouTube channel. There go running, y'all. There go running. Yeah. Everybody know you on here running. Yeah, but anyway, we out here at Yello Belly. For my new people in TikTok don't know what the hell y'all looking at. Hello America from South Africa. See, I know he don't know what the hell we at. Hey, what's up with it, man? Got somebody from South Africa just joined in here. Yeah. We at Yello Belly, man, from South Africa.